Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. Happy Thursday. We're doing a duct job for a client that had some remodeling done in Columbia, Illinois. And this was a referral, and we're taking care of them today. Nice woodsy area, as you can see. Looks good. All right, guys, stay tuned for some results. And as always, don't forget to hit the bell, like, subscribe. Stay tuned. Doing the supply line. After we get done doing this, we'll do the wall cavity turns, and then we'll go downstairs to the truck lines. Things are going good. Get all the dust, debris, remodeling dust. They had construction done, and this is removing it all safely. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we're in the downstairs, the main trunk lines. You can see, as we're working with over down there. This is the turn down there. What you would expect. Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys having a great day. We are downstairs doing the main trunk lines. This is the supply. This is the return. We did make an access panel, and that's what we're doing today. This is the stuff they're breathing in, as you can see. I'll zoom in a little bit more for you guys. Look at that. Gonna get rid of that today. What is that over there? All right, guys, and this is the other one. There we go. This is the supply. Not too bad. Right there, as you can see. Yep. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, after inspecting the supply, look at these clients breathing in. What is that? Like a mouse, doesn't it? All right, guys, stay tuned. Give us a call. 80. All right, guys, that's the supply. All looks good. As always, stay tuned. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. You guys remember that mouse? Not anymore. It went bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Call Duct Cleaning if you need your ducts cleaned. As always, stay tuned, hit the bell.